Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make someone an admin in an Instagram group chat. If you're interested in Instagram marketing, growing your account, and making money from Instagram, check out our free Instagram resources and newsletter below. But now, let's see how to make someone an admin in an Instagram group chat. To do this, open your messages and open the group chat. Tap on the name of the group chat at the top and tap on people. Next to the person you want to make an admin's name, tap on the three dots and choose Make Admin. If you want to remove them as an admin, you can follow these same steps by tapping on the three dots and choosing Remove as Admin. Alright, this hopefully helped you make someone an admin in an Instagram group chat.
I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to check out our Make Money with Instagram checklist for free, or the Instagram growth checklist, other Instagram marketing resources and deals. Also, we have a free weekly Instagram marketing newsletter for which you can sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check out our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well, which you can also find in the video description below.